VTCN1/B7-H4 target introduction. VTCN1, also known as B7-H4 or B7X and B7S1, is a member of the B7 family of immune checkpoint molecules, which are critical regulators of immune responses. B7-H4 plays an inhibitory role in the immune system, particularly in modulating T-cell activity. By suppressing T-cell proliferation, cytokine production, and cell cycle progression, B7-H4 contributes to the maintenance of immune homeostasis and the prevention of autoimmune reactions. Structure of B7-H4. B7-H4 is a type I transmembrane protein with a structure characteristic of the B7 family. IgV and IgC-like domains. B7-H4 has two immunoglobulin-like domains, IgV, variable, and IgC, constant, which are involved in ligand binding and mediating inhibitory signals. Transmembrane domain. This domain anchors B7-H4 in the cell membrane. Cytoplasmic tail. The cytoplasmic region is relatively short and lacks well-defined signaling motifs, indicating that B7-H4 primarily functions by interacting with other cell surface molecules. Clinical significance of B7-H4. Cancer diagnosis and prognosis. Biomarker potential. High levels of B7-H4 expression in tumors are often associated with poor prognosis, as they indicate a more immunosuppressive tumor microenvironment. Immunohistochemistry, IHC B7-H4, can be detected in tumor tissues using IHC, aiding in the diagnosis and assessment of certain cancers, particularly those where B7-H4 is highly expressed. Cancer immunotherapy. Targeting B7-H4, given its role in immune suppression, B7-H4 is a potential target for cancer immunotherapy. Therapeutic strategies that block B7-H4 could improve anti-tumor immune responses, potentially in combination with other checkpoint inhibitors like anti-PD-1/PD-L1 or anti-CTLA-4 therapies. Antibody-based therapies. Research is ongoing to develop monoclonal antibodies that can target B7-H4 expressing cells, thereby reducing immune suppression within the tumor microenvironment. Autoimmune diseases. Regulation of autoimmunity. In autoimmune diseases, where excessive T-cell activity contributes to tissue damage, enhancing B7-H4 activity could help control immune responses and prevent autoimmunity. Inflammatory diseases. Role in chronic inflammation. B7-H4's role in suppressing T-cell activity also implicates it in the regulation of chronic inflammatory conditions. Therapeutic modulation of B7-H4 could help manage chronic inflammation by controlling excessive immune activation. Alpha Lifetech can provide Arcevolimab biosimilar, recombinant rhesus macaque VTCN1 protein, recombinant mouse VTCN1 protein, FC tag, and other products. www.alpha-lifetech.com. info@alphalifitech.com